the virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Hello and welcome to the virtual whiteboard. Children, so far we have learned the basic simple phonic sounds for the letters of the alphabet, right? Until the letter T. Today, let us learn the simple basic phonic sounds for the letter U. The letter U has two sounds. One is A, the other one is U. Let us see its sounds with a combination of other letters. The letters UA make the sound WA, as in Qualm, Quack, Aquatic. Again, the letters UA make the sound WA. The letters UB make the sound UB, as in tub, rub, snub. The letters UC make the sound uck, as in luck, truck, pluck. So the letters UC make the sound uck. The letters UD make the sound ud, as in mud, bud, stud. So the letters UD make the sound ud. The letters UE make the sound U, as in dew, hue, blue. The letters UF make the sound uff, as in bluff, stuff, suffer. The letters UG make the sound ugh, as in bug, rug, tug. So the letters UG make the sound ugh. The letters UI make the sound E, as in quit, guilt, quilt. So the letters UI make the sound E. The letters UI also make the sound UI, as in sweet, ruin, fluid. So the letters UI also make the sound UI, ui. The letters UK make the sound yuk, as in duke, puke, fluke. The letters UL make the sound ul, as in skull, dull, bulk. The letters UL also make the sound ul, as in full, bull, bullet. The letters UM make the sound as in slum, gum, umbrella. The letters UN make the sound as in bun, gun, unhappy. The letters UO make the sound wo, duo, quote, quotient. So the letters UO make the sound wo. The letters UP make the sound up, as in cup, pup, supply. The letters UR make the sound as in fur, blur, urgent. The letters US make the sound us, as in bus, fuss, trust. The letters UT make the sound ut, as in but, cut, utter. The letters UT also make the sound ut, as in put, input, utopia. The letters UX make the sound ux, as in flux, crux, deluxe. The letters UY make the sound I, as in buy, guy. So the letters UY make the sound I. The letters UZ make the sound, it makes the sound az, as in buzz, fuzz. puzzle. I hope you're able to follow. U is a vowel, so its combination with other letters is going to be a little bit difficult. Please practice a lot. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.